How to cancel event on Discord mobile. Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to cancel event on your Discord mobile. First, let's go to Discord and then click on your event. After you click on it, click here and then click this icon. Click on it, and now all you need to do is just click cancel event and then click cancel event, and as you see the event has been cancelled. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and watch this video may help you, and see you in the next video.